Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it, select this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, you can input website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your email, username or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!